Byron Road. Alright, how's it going? Everybody, you guys are awesome. Today I am riding my bike again. If you guys haven't seen my last moto vlog, this is basically somewhat of a continuation just because I took a little bit of a break. I was doing some stuff and then stopped for a coffee and then decided to get back on a bike, and now I'm back on the bike and now I'm doing a moto vlog. A moto vlog, can you believe it? Another moto vlog. I really do love doing these moto vlogs. For all of you guys out there who look at my channel and you go, damn it, these two used to do moto vlogs all the time and now they're not. Look, we kind of have a life that we have to deal with. So when we get a chance, we really do come out here and ride all the time, as much as we possibly can. But we don't always have the chance because, life. But if this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. Thank you very much for clicking on the video. I truly appreciate it. I'm just a silly adult child thing. I can't say adult because my wife would very much disagree with you guys. But I'm just out here riding. I enjoy my rides. And today I am obviously riding my Ninja 650 for those of you guys who are new here. And I'm doing a moto vlog because why the heck not? You guys have enough of other stuff on this channel. A lot of me sitting down and talking. But I am going to be improving the videos too. There's some new cool stuff that I'm going to be doing with the channel as well. On top of everything else, I got obviously with a lot of the channels that I do stuff, I always learn something new, and lately I've been coming up with new ideas on how to do, make the videos more interesting if I can, except for the moto vlogs. The moto vlogs are just fun. They're just here, like it's a moto vlog. I'm here, I'm talking, and I'm riding my motorcycle. We're gonna have to hit some open road if we can. Of course, it's the worst possible time to go riding, but I was working all freaking day today. I'm working my butt off. It's been busy. I've been really, really busy. Mrs. K has been really, really busy. So any chance I get to go out for a ride, I'm going to go for a ride. Because the weather is getting crappier. This summer, we didn't ride anywhere near... oh my god, I'm such a noob. I forgot to downshift. I didn't ride anywhere near what I wanted to. Off camera or on camera. This poor bike's been pretty much sitting around doing nothing. So that kind of sucks. But I do enjoy riding. I love riding. I'm just trying to figure out new ways to make some cool videos for you guys. Like I said, I have a bunch of new ideas, so that's kind of cool. But if you guys are new here, take a look at some of our earlier videos. There's tons of moto vlogs there and tons of fun stuff there. But the moto vlogs kind of died down a little bit after we got really busy with a bunch of stuff. So now the moto vlogs are kind of mixed in between everything else. I'm kind of hoping that eventually... Oh, that's going to be fun. Oh, good. Okay. Yay. No accident. Thank you. I see too many of those things. I don't need to see more accidents. Now open. Lougheed and Willingdon. Okay, I don't know what they were trying to do with that picture, but that pink lipstick does not work. That's what my focus is on. Brentwood. Actually, you know what's funny? In my area, where I live, Brentwood, this place just, they were constructing the crap out of it. And so I basically kind of said, okay, I'll wait till they're all done just to go check out the mall. But now I'm looking at the back of the bus. Hey, the please yield is the law. So here in BC, we have this law where if the bus is signaling, you must stop for the bus. You must yield to the bus. I'm wondering, is that everywhere? Do you guys have that in other places? All the different locations where you guys live? I know a bunch of you are all over the world. A lot of our viewers are. And I'm just wondering if that's a law pretty much everywhere. I like the law. I know people who can't stand it. I think it's a great law. A bus has a bunch of people on it. I'm by myself. Even if you have a packed car, it's always going to have less people than a bus. So you should yield to the bus. I think that's a good law. I know people hate it. I like it. That's just me. But leave me a comment. Yeah, just comments. I like comments, man. I haven't heard from you guys. If you guys want to What was I going to say? I totally forgot what I was going to say now. God darn it. Okay, I don't want to wait for this light anymore, man. Should I just turn around and go back the other way? I hate standing still. Oh, wait. Never mind. We get to go now. Yay. Yay. Ooh. Ooh. Inside. And go. La 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 la. This is fun. You know what's really weird is I still don't get, after all the years I've been riding this motorcycle, I'm still not adjusted to how quickly she picks up the speed. So sometimes I basically get going and then I'm all fine and dandy. I look in the mirror and that's when I realize how far up ahead I am. And then what do? I look at the speedometer and then I'm like, oh mother monkey. Yes, oh, that's the new Mach-E. So the Mach-E is basically an all electric Ford. But I call it the Mach-E because the actual name is Mustang Mach-E. I don't know, man. I'm a Tesla guy. I'm really hoping that Ford and some GM and all these other guys are going to come on board and actually make some good cars. I think the Mach-E overall is a pretty good car. I think they just had a recall, though, on this car. It just got released this year, and they already have a recall, which sucks. But to all the Mach-E owners, congratulations, because at least you're going all electric. That's what I'm going to be doing. I cannot wait for my Damon, I mean, the new Damon motorcycle, it is all electric. And if you are new here, you don't know, Mrs. K rides an all-electric 0S. It's an awesome freaking bike. I love that bike. Quiet, but punchy, powerful, torquey, crazy fast, but it's very, very comfy. I like it. So that's what Mrs. K rides, and I'm going to be switching over to the Damon all-electric eventually. I'm guessing sometime next year. I'm looking forward to it. It's not to say I don't love my Ninja 650. I really, really do. In fact, I did make a video about me selling it, and then I kind of started thinking if I don't want to keep both, like, as in keep the Ninja 650 and buy an all-electric. I don't know, man. I don't know what's a smart thing to do. I don't know. What is that? I just hear some sounds, and I can't figure out what I'm hearing. I think it's from the construction way over there. Oh, it is a beautiful day today. And tomorrow, I think tomorrow is going to be nice again, but we've been getting some kind of wonky, out of nowhere rainfalls here, like rainstorms. That happened yesterday. I hate standing still like this, man. Let's move, people. Oh, you know what? I'm going to actually let you guys go because this video is going to get way too long. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm going to make another moto vlog, and then I'll catch you guys on the next one. Please, everybody, ride safe. Be safe. Love, ride, explore. All right, if you haven't subscribed already, do so. Like the video, okay? All right, thanks. Comment. Bye-bye. Woohoo!